Make sweet ambi with these are ambi raw mangoes. Peel it and slice in a pan. About 1.5 glass water. To this water add about 5 teaspoons of sugar. This is, and let it melt. So here roughly I have diced 2 ambis, 2 raw mangoes, and little bit of sugar has melted. I am going to add the raw mangoes to the water so that it could just get the flavor of the raw mango, and the sugar can just give a sweet taste to the sour mangoes, and it's going to be really nice. You can have it as a sweetener. It's really going to be nice. Change the vessel because after adding the raw mango, the water level rose up. So, and I've also added 2 teaspoons of sugar more depending on how sweet you want. So for 2 raw mangoes of good size, I have added roughly 7-8 teaspoons of sugar. So let it cook for about half an hour or so. Let it boil for half an hour or so, and we'll check on it later. I'm making the gas on simmer and let it take its own pace to cook, and then we'll come and check our raw mango pulp, how it is. Lime, and we will add a little bit of lemon zest in it. So since I'm holding the camera, I'll add it. See, if you can see, I have added little lemon zest in it. It will give really nice flavor. You can see I have added the lemon zest to it, and let it cook on simmer. I've added another ambi. So these are 3 ambis in 8 spoons of sugar. It's such a lovely syrup also. After adding the lemon zest, the flavor of raw mangoes and the lemon zest has given the syrup such a lovely taste, and very beautiful fragrance is coming after adding the lemon zest. So I would advise that only add the yellow portion of the lemon, and it is very nice to add the lemon zest. Do not forget to add the lemon zest, the cover of the lime, little bit of it, not the white portion, just the yellow one as I showed you. So I'm just still waiting, and I just tasted the syrup. I mean, even if the pieces of the raw mango finishes, I can just simply sip in the syrup. It's so yummy. Beautiful. So a beautiful sweetening gurumba that we call in Punjabi, and this is so yummy and so nice. You can see so soft. If you want it, the pulp to get more softened, you can just cover it while boiling. I have not covered because I like little bit of rawness in it. But if you like it really smooth and mash it, you can cover while boiling. So this is our beautiful gurumba, that mango pulp, raw mango pulp, and it is very sweet and very nice. I hope that you too try making your beautiful raw mango sweet at home and enjoy it. Because of the lemon that we've put, it is so delicious, like an aam papad. You see that flavor is coming, very delicious. So I hope that you try making your gurumba of raw mangoes. Please do try it. To happy and healthy meal.